Creating AI art with Adobe Firefly lets you turn simple ideas into detailed and creative artwork in just a few steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to generate AI art and customize the results. Start by opening Adobe Firefly and signing in to your Adobe account. From the main Firefly workspace, choose the image generation tool, such as text-to-image, when available. Now think about the artwork you want to create and describe it in the prompt box. The more details you provide, the more control you have over the result. For example, you could write, "A futuristic city floating above the clouds, surrounded by glowing lights, dramatic sunset, detailed digital art." Cinematic atmosphere. Generate your image and review the variations Firefly provides. Look for the composition, colors, details, and overall style that best match your idea. If you want a different result, modify your prompt. You can add details about the artistic style, lighting, perspective, environment, or mood. You can also use Firefly's available settings to adjust the appearance of your artwork. For example, you might experiment with realistic photography, illustration, 3D artwork, or other available styles. Changing the aspect ratio can also help you prepare the